In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the size and rotation of an image in your document easily and effectively. Whether you're preparing a presentation, designing a project, or simply organizing some visuals, knowing how to manipulate images can come in handy in numerous ways. Let's dive in together and make sure you feel confident in this essential skill. First, start by selecting the image you wish to adjust. It's crucial to make sure the image is highlighted so that you can apply the necessary adjustments without affecting any other elements on your page. You can tell it's selected when you see a blue border or handles around the image. Once your image is selected, move over to the control icons just above it. You'll notice an image toolbar appearing, providing quick access to various editing options. Now, direct your attention to a small icon that appears alongside the image toolbar, typically represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with more functionalities. Here, you'll find the option labeled Image Options. Go ahead and click on that. Alternatively, if you see Size and Rotation directly on the toolbar, you can click on it, as it takes you to the same destination. Upon clicking, a sidebar should pop up on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is a treasure trove of possibilities, allowing you to tweak various settings related to your image. Focus on locating the section labeled Rotate. This is where you're going to adjust the rotation to get your image oriented just the way you want it. You'll notice a few options here that make this process straightforward. One route is to directly input a degree value into the provided field. If you have a specific angle in mind, simply type it in, and your image will adjust accordingly. It's a precise way of rotating images to fit your aesthetic or pragmatic needs. Alternatively, if you're looking for a simple, quick turn, you can make use of the preset options such as Rotate 90 degree. These choices are excellent for flipping an image quickly without any fuss. Choose the option that best suits your requirement, and your image will rotate in place without disrupting other elements in your document. Before wrapping up, let's review the steps. Always ensure you select the image first, use the image toolbar to access image options, and then choose the rotate feature from the sidebar that appears. These steps make resizing and rotating images a breeze, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling more empowered to work with images in your future projects. Applying these techniques can greatly enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your documents and presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps for the best results.